In this brief video, we're going to be talking about dangerous severe weather that will continue through the end of this week across Southeast Europe, followed by yet another unwanted Atlantic storm, bringing a reinforcing wave of cooler air and bouts of rainfall. If you look towards the Balkans and western Russia, you're going to see a lot of scattered green, indicating widespread thunderstorm development across the region. Within the next few days, all of this activity will progress east, making way for the new Atlantic storm to slowly encroach into Europe, which of course will bring its own influence on the weather pattern. One of these changes we're going to see is a trend towards warmer weather for some of us. The counterclockwise flow around this system will interact with the warm air mass over northern Africa and the Mediterranean, pulling it northward through Central Europe and possibly as far north as Finland through this weekend. Once we pass this point, there's an increasing chance that this warming trend will continue, but I'll leave that for a future forecast. Focusing on the severe weather threat, it's actually going to be quite high for today, Thursday, June 13th. Another severe weather outbreak is looking likely, so I've placed a level 3 over the Balkans. This time, I expect the worst storms to be focused over Bulgaria, where supercells with very large hailstones, destructive wind gusts, and even tornadoes are going to be a possibility. Another area of severe weather potential that I'd like to point out is over western Russia, and this is in association with a different storm system. Main risks with the strongest storms in this area will be torrential rainfall and large hail. On Friday, we should see the main severe threat across Greece and Turkey, with a possibility of severe weather still lingering as far north as Bulgaria and Romania once again, before the risk becomes more focused over central and eastern Turkey by the weekend. Heavy rainfall may lead to some isolated flood concerns across several areas in Europe, and that's going to be most likely wherever you see green on this map. That system in western Russia will have intense rainfall rates on the northern end, so I did add a level 2 risk where the possibility of flooding will be heightened. Other than that, another area to note is a level 1 over the UK and Ireland, and this is due to that new Atlantic storm moving in. The overall risk of flooding should stay pretty low, but we may see a few hours of moderate to heavy rain in some locations, so I can't rule out this threat completely. To bring this forecast to a close, here's an update to the 3-day precipitation forecast. You can see that swath of heavy rain cutting across Russia, with as much as 50 millimeters or more where you see yellow. For everyone else, rainfall totals will be modest, with isolated higher totals possible in some coastal or mountainous areas, or where heavy showers and storms repeatedly impact the same area. That should be all for today, but make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss any of my videos. Also, don't forget to join our Discord server linked in the description down below, and remember to check my community tab for more frequent updates on the weather when I can't post videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.